So, hello and welcome to Saloni Batra and Manav Vij, two fantastic actors who've done a terrific job scaring the hell out of me in Gant. What a series! It's so riveting. And of course, knowing somewhat of the real life incident also without giving too much away on which it's based. But please talk about the fabulous script and your roles. And Saloni, you especially are very scary. I don't want to give too much away, but apart from your Hindi, there's a lot more that's going on with you. And Manav, you of course have been so good in so many things, but I think Tanav and this especially have really established you as the thinking man's leading man, you know.
Wow,
So,
wow.
please talk about how a homeopathic doctor from Punjab became a Bollywood star.
I don't know, it's a long journey now. I never wanted to be a doctor. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, I can.
Yes. I never wanted to be a doctor. My mother wanted me to be.
Ah,
So, but एक अलग ही reason था कि I became an actor out
जी.
of not out of compulsion but out of emotion. So that's why whenever I tell people that I'm a God-made man, I'm not a self-made man because
हाँ,
God created certain circumstances in my life which made me an actor.
हाँ,
I was totally a non-actor. I just told my mom I want to become an actor. So she said, मेरा सपना है तू डॉक्टर बने.
हाँ,
तो आई सेड ओके. कहते चलो बन जाओ एक्टर बट एक्टर बन जाना
हाँ,
नहीं तो दो सपने टूटेंगे.
हाँ,
सो दैट वन लाइन स्टेड इन माय हेड फॉर लॉट ऑफ इयर्स. लेकिन मैं बन नहीं पा रहा था क्योंकि मेरे अंदर था ही नहीं वो कभी. मतलब सीरियल भी कर रहा था कुछ भी कर रहा था. बहुत अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर पा रहा था बिकॉज मेरी एक सबसे बड़ी दुविधा ये रही कि मैं कभी सीखा ही नहीं था और कोशिश भी नहीं करता सीखने की बिकॉज मैं जिस गांव से था वहां पर सबको सब आता. So
हाँ.
genetically,
कहाँ
I did.
कहाँ से हैं आप, मानव?
I belong to Firozpur, Punjab. It's
अच्छा,
a
ऑफ
border
कोर्स.
area.
बिल्कुल.
So now the twist came when I wanted to leave. She passed away.
ओ.
I wanted to leave acting, so I didn't have anyone to say sorry to. So after that, I started learning acting. So now I have to complete this. So somewhere
हम्म.
down the line, when people ask me why you're not in any award function, I said whatever I do, and if I get appreciation from the kind people around me, people who are literate enough to give the appreciation, not from everyone, then that's an award for me and my mom. So ये बहुत इमोशनल रीजन थे, सर्कमस्टांसेस. अगर वो
बहुत ही.
शायद वो सर्कमस्टांसेस नहीं होते तो मैं जोर भी नहीं लगाता. तो इसलिए मैं
हाँ.
कभी कभी श्रेय लेता ही नहीं हूँ. मुझे हमेशा ये डर लगा रहता है कि यू हैव टू बो डाउन टू सर्कमस्टांसेस समटाइम. द वर्स्ट ऑफ द सर्कमस्टांसेस they are created by the Almighty to make you understand what is kept in the pocket for you in the future.
जी.
So that's why a lot of people ask me कि डॉक्टर से एक्टर कैसे बने. मुझे भी नहीं पता चला. जिस दिन आपको पता चलता है मुझे बता देना. It's like that way.
और आपको रोल भी इतने इंटेंस मिलते हैं, मतलब इमोशनल तो आप होंगे ही. यू सीम अ वेरी इमोशनल मैन. आपको
जी.
रोल भी वैसे ही मिलते हैं.
शुक्र है मैम. मुझे मुझे कई बार ऐसा लगता है मिलते रहना चाहिए.
हाँ.
एक एक रिजक खत्म होने से पहले दूसरा रिजक मिल जाए इससे बड़ा क्या हो सकता
बिल्कुल.
है. उतना ही है मेरा तो वहीं तक कि वही खत्म हो जाता ऑस्कर मेरा. उसके आगे मेरे को बिकॉज आई लिव इन अ मोमेंट. नो, माई होल
जी.
आइडिया ऑफ वर्किंग इज आई लिव इन अ मोमेंट. एक जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वही कर रहा हूँ. उसके बाद का सोचता नहीं. मैं बचपन से ही ऐसा. आई वॉज मेड लाइक दैट. माई नाना वॉज लाइक दैट. तो समटाइम्स पीपल से कि व्हाई यू लुक डिफरेंट इन एवरी रोल. I said because I'm living in the moment and my surrender to the whole team is so much that I start looking like them. क्योंकि इश्क ऐसा हो जाता है उसका रंग चढ़ जाता है.
जी,
So
बिल्कुल.
every time you see Andhadhun, it's a half Shri Ram Raghavan, half
I
me.
I was about to say Andhadhun में Saloni, you'll agree, he looks so different. Uh, in fact, जब मैं IMDb पढ़ रही थी, I knew that you were the cop, but फिर भी, you know, मुझे again it was like a shock. अच्छा, it was Manav.
जी 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 मैम.
हाँ, sorry, आप कह रहे थे अंधाधुन
बस वही
क्या
है.
मानव
that's the.
विच
हाँ
कितना
जी.
डिफरेंट था.
What are you saying दोबारा? Sorry.
अंधाधुन में जो मानव विच था वो कितना डिफरेंट लग रहा था और कितना डिफरेंट भी था.
हाँ, बिकॉज मैम उसमें बहुत ज्यादा श्रीराम राघवन का रंग था। इफ
जी,
यू सी उत्तर पंजाब तो उसमें अलग रंग था।
बिल्कुल।
तो डायरेक्टर के रंग बहुत
लाल
चढ़ते हैं मेरे
सिंह, लाल सिंह में भी अलग ही आप थे।
को। जी 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 मैम, जी मैम। So that was all Amir Khan's brain. So you know how Amir is. He he gets into your brain and make you do whatever he wants you to do. So that is his capability of. And that's why in Lal Singh Chaddha, when they say Mohammad Paji was brilliant, I said, please, can you send this message to Amir Khan? So all credit goes to him because
Right.
faith बहुत बड़ी चीज है. When such a big actor or big superstar, he thinks कि left and dang's rule can be done by Manav Vij. So that is the first faith where the वहीं पर बाजी मार जाते हैं लोग. सो
बिल्कुल,
उसके बाद तो प्रोसेस ही है. जी
बिल्कुल। और तनाव की कबीर भी अलग ही है,
जी
वो भी बिल्कुल अलग है।
जी.
आपको डायरेक्टर्स भी बहुत अच्छे मिले हैं। यू
राइट
वेरी लकी,
राइट, आई एम
राइट?
वेरी लकी
some of
एंड
the
द
best
एनवायरनमेंट.
directors in the country.
जी मैम, जी मैम, एनवायरनमेंट ही बहुत बड़ा टीचर था मेरे लिए. सो जब मुझे और साइड से टीचिंग नहीं मिली तो एनवायरनमेंट ने दे दी. सो इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई आई ऑलवेज यूज द वर्ड कि आई एम अ गॉड मेड मैन, राइट, बिकॉज ही वाज फाइंडिंग सम एनवायरनमेंट फॉर मी. सो तभी वो, मुझे थोड़ा सा क्रेडिट लेने में घबराहट होती है कि अगर वो एनवायरनमेंट नहीं होता. राइट, माय डैड वाज आस्किंग मी, ही वॉच्ड सम शॉर्ट फिल्म बिरहा ऑन जियो सिनेमा, एंड he loved the work. He cried for 5 minutes. And one day, in the evening, he was sitting in the balcony. He stays in Punjab, but he was with me in Bombay. He said, मेरे लिए चाय बना के ला. मैं डर गया. मैंने कहा यार मेरा पता चल गया कुछ काम, क्योंकि चाय बनाना मतलब पहले तो he has a help, so वो बनाती है. So he asked me, he said यार मुझे दिल से बात बता, तेरे को बहुत दुख है क्या किसी चीज का? I said नहीं. He said I saw your short film and I cried. बिना दुख दर्द के आप ये नहीं कर सकते. So then I just told him one thing. I said आप मुझे बुरा डायरेक्टर दो, बुरा राइटर दो, बुरी टीम दो, फिर देखो मैं कितना गंदा दिखता हूँ. So you are as good and as bad as you get the opportunity to play with the right team. So that is my process.
Saloni, I want to bring you in here because you again are a shapeshifter. In Animal, you look so different. You are so different here. I saw a little bit of the Sony character, but then was completely different. Just the uniform, but you were so different. So again, talk a little about this ability to change your physicality and change yourself with every role. And that's why everything you do is so memorable. I mean, they may be few and far in between, but you do really memorable work. So, talk a little about that.
That's very kind of you to say, ma'am. Thank you so much, first of all. Uh, I think I get this. I've always been an empath of a certain level, like of a very high level. I've always felt so many emotions, and I always used to wonder कि क्या है मेरे में, इतना क्यों फील करती हूँ मैं, इतना मुझे हर जने की बात इतनी टच कर जाती है. पर वही आई थिंक मेरे को अब मेरे काम में यूज आ रहा है. आई थिंक आई वाज ब्लेस्ड बाय गॉड to feel these emotions and to be this
Right.
empath that he's made me, to maybe bring out these voices into the universe and be a part of people's stories. And it's not like, as he said, it's not like I put on this too much effort. Obviously there's workshops happen in Sony also. There were some workshops and we work on characters and all, but वो पूरा team इतना मेजर डिफरेंस लाता है आपके परफॉर्मेंस में कि हु इज योर को एक्टर, राइटिंग कैसी है. इफ द राइटिंग इज क्रिस्प, if the character is written well, and I've been really lucky to get these parts in my life
Yeah.
where I've been able to just somewhere do slight justice, I've been told, to whatever has been written and been offered to me. So I consider myself really really lucky in that sense to get such directors, to get such voices to be a part of, and to get such co-actors who can get the best out of me,
Right.
and for me to feel my most vulnerable self in front of them. Like you read something, you feel it, but doing it is another thing. But you can only do
Bilkul.
it once you're on set. पर वो
right.
जब टीम की एनर्जी आपको फील होती है, आप ढल जाते हो उसमें किसी तरह, और जब आप ढलते हो और आप जब सरेंडर कर देते हो, देन दैट इज वेयर आई थिंक मैजिक हैपेंस, एंड आई फील वेरी 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 ब्लेस्ड एक्चुअली टू।
या बिकॉज जो आप दोनों का रिलेशनशिप है गांठ में बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है। आप कोवर्कर्स हैं बट कोवर्कर्स से थोड़ा कुछ अलग भी, there's some element there, you know. How are you able to bring that? There's always an element of mystery. बाद में थोड़ा पता चलता है, and I hope season 2 जल्दी से आ जाए because I really want to know now क्या हो रहा है. But that element, there's a slight, what they call an X factor in the relationship that the two of you have. You keep that mystery alive and then बाद में you realize कुछ है उधर. Talk a little about how you were able to do that. And of course, Manav really looks as if he doesn't understand what you're saying half the time.
uh,
उसके बारे में
he is a
बताइए सर.
he as a person, and the kind of chemistry we had offset, as in the kind of bond we had offset, really helped in creating those small small moments. But वही
Yeah,
है कि राइटिंग में इतना कुछ था कि हम
You
जब
know
गए।
what I think? I maybe my respect towards her for her craft was
हाँ,
very interesting because I have seen her work. So I
right,
always used to say कि यार the kind of potential she has is very
yeah,
mysterious, right? There's a myth.
right,
So what I did was I played with a poker face sometimes,
हाँ,
right? You must have seen. So what I
yeah,
did, I'm looking at her, I'll play poker, let audience feel what they want to feel. And then there's a
exactly,
background score, a lot of things. Because if you push more, if you reveal little more, then the intriguing point becomes very less. So
right,
most of the time with her, I have played, okay, I'm Gadar Singh, whatever, if it's professional. When personal, when he's saying कि कभी घर पे काम पड़े तो मुझे बताना, ठीक है, कुछ
exactly,
जरूरत हो मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ, तो mostly he's looking forward.
yeah,
He's trying not to look at her. So when you don't
exactly.
look at someone and when you're just poker, not expressing anything, then you give a full playground to audience to believe whatever they want to believe. So
Imagine
my
too, yeah,
yeah, imagination on हो जाता है. And मेरे को क्या था कि when I met her, my whole point was हम पहले नहीं कभी मिले थे. लेकिन इसको मैंने बताया नहीं कि internally I used to believe that इसका भी potential बाहर नहीं आया because there is so much to it. And this time
right,
she played according to how we wanted to play.
amazing,
So
बिल्कुल,
that what worked. Sometimes more discussion makes it dilute. Sometimes just leave it to the real bond and it works.
right,
And
right,
every time I was playing the scene with him, I always had like a backstory. There was something always in my subconscious mind happening, because there is a graph that I have in the show, which is
right,
going on in my head. So
yeah,
while I'm talking to him, there is still something going on in my head where I'm talking to him, but I'm also talking to myself internally
right,
and discussing something with myself totally different. But I'm saying totally something totally different, which I thought
yeah,
brought out the mystery part of
Yeah,
it.
and it's very, very
absolutely.
hard what you did. It's
Very
not
tough,
easy
very
to,
tough.
it's
Yeah, yeah.
very tough.
I was
I
about
mean,
to say, even her work, of course, is not related, but even your work in Animal Saloni was very difficult because you have to really believe that you're that person, and you may not be that person, and you may not agree with what that person is doing, but you're caught in a situation where you have to be that way, you know. It's very difficult, and you may not like the person you're portraying, no? You may want to
Absolutely.
give it a tight slap,
Yeah.
but what do you do? You're playing that person. You have to believe in it.
Yeah, I mean, go with it. I always try to go with it without judging that person
Exactly.
totally, because that person has had their own journey in life.
Yeah,
They come from somewhere, they're facing so many difficulties. Not like that person also wants to be in that situation. It's not in
exactly.
their hands, right? So
Right.
we're just a voice of that character, that
Yeah,
person. So for me to judge it as an artist, as an actor, would be absolutely
yeah, yeah,
uh, demeaning my own work
yeah.
in a way. So
But did
um,
life change for you after Animal? Did people suddenly think who had not seen you in Sony and your other work and say, Are, who's this?
yeah, yeah, lots of people actually did not watch Sony who watched
Uh,
Animal, and I received a lot of love because it was such a huge platform for me.
yeah,
And I feel lucky to have gotten that part, because
right.
acted amongst superstars and
Yeah, yeah.
very
It's a
senior
very big
actors.
platform. Yeah,
Very, very big platform. So I was recognized a lot and given a
yeah.
lot of love for my performance as well.
Manav, what was the turning point in your career? Was there a specific movie that you felt really allowed people to look at you differently?
I think it started with every moment it was creating. Every
Right,
moment was a turning point personally.
right.
For me personally, every moment was turning point. किसी से घर चल रहा था, किसी से कोई compliment आ रहे थे. But commercially, definitely entering into Bollywood with Udta Punjab, they started
Hmm.
noticing me.
Yeah,
And because I was doing TV shows, and immediately I transformed myself, gained 18 kgs, and at the age of 35 created a 50-year-old guy.
right.
And that worked for them. But मतलब if you say कि the turning point was Andhadhun. Because then what happened was they have seen me as a cop in Udta Punjab. They
Yeah,
saw again a cop in Andhadhun, which doesn't look similar at all. Leaves the
absolutely.
uh, histrionics part, look ही बदल गया.
बिल्कुल.
So that's what brought सबको notice हो गया कि ये कौन है. Oh shit, ये तो ये भी कर सकता है. So then they started watching Filori, then they started watching a lot of other films. You know how it is. Sometimes they watch something and then they go back and watch again.
बिल्कुल.
The
We
appreciation
all do
started.
that. हाँ,
Yeah, this
हाँ.
that was the turning point.
Right. I feel Gach has also got a huge, there's a lot in it, which people will really enjoy unpacking because it's the kind of series that you want to actually watch again and again. Kyunki, then you go back and say, Acha, this was the connection. When you were doing it, did you realize what you're doing, what this wonderful story is, where it's going? How
No, man.
how was that?
No, man. That's where my capabilities end. मेरी सिलेबस से बाहर है. मेरे सिलेबस से बाहर है. इतना समझ नहीं आता मुझे. थोड़ा सा आता है, but I do that from. जी.
So you do what you're told and then the story unfolds.
या जितना मुझे आता है उसको 100% दे. बिकॉज ऐसे हर
Right.
जगह हाथ मारूंगा तो फिर कर दूंगा खराब.
Saloni, what was your sort of reaction to the role that you were playing? Because it's, as I said, so enigmatic.
Ma'am, first of all, when I received this role, I was very skeptical of doing it because I thought I'd done Sony. People might just
Tony,
keep casting
exactly.
me as a police officer.
Police, all your
Yeah, I was
life.
like, अरे मैं तो पुलिस ऑफिसर बन जाऊंगी अब मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
You should have taken tips from Manav,
I
which you
didn't know
did.
it
Yeah, I told her, I said,
personally.
this is my fifth cop. I'm going to play 11. And then one mastermind, if I'm right, they will write a book on me called Cop Theory. I'm thinking anything in my life. I have very weird
Bilkul.
dreams. So I said, why to get scared? Cliche is something which people like every time. So Robert De Niro played gangster so many times. Every time he says he's looking at me, and you're talking
Yeah.
to me. Every time he has the same tone. And then you love De
Yeah.
Niro, right? So there's
Yeah.
nothing. It's conviction which matters.
Yeah.
I've learned a lot from him through the process of filming this, and even now. So, but then when I read the script, I thought there's so much more for me to do, and it gave me so much thrill that I just immediately wanted to be a part of it and give it my best and be acting with Manav sir and the whole team and get directed by
Yeah. Yeah.
Kanish and all of that.
Plus, being a Delhi girl again, right? You're from
Yes,
Delhi, so
Yeah.
yes,
so
yes,
you
yes,
understand the Jamna Par vibe and all the
yes, yes,
snide
absolutely.
remarks about Jamna Par.
Yeah.
You were not Jamna Par, right?
No.
You're a South Delhi girl.
I am from West Delhi.
Okay, great. Such a joy to speak to both of you, Manav and Saloni. I wish you all the best because you're both fantastic actors, and it's always so interesting to see how you transform yourselves and the whole energy that you bring to the screen. And so much joy to our lives. So thank you.
That's so kind of
Thank you
you.
so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mm.